A clamp meter is the simplest and safest way to measure current. A clamp meter does not require you to touch any wires. This significantly reduces chances for an injury. Let's start by learning how to set your multimeter dial to measure current. Recall that there are two types of current, AC and DC. Recall that in AC current, the direction of flow alternates direction. DC current only flows in one direction. The schematic diagram for the equipment will indicate if the system is AC or DC. If you are measuring AC current, point the dial towards the A, with a wave over the top. If you are measuring DC current, point the dial towards the A, with a straight and dashed line on top. You may need to press the yellow function key to set the meter to AC or DC. See the meter to the right for an example. Since you will be using the clamp to measure the current, you do not need multimeter leads. Remove any multimeter leads that you have plugged into your multimeter. Press the button on the left-hand side of the multimeter. This will open the clamp jaws. Move the multimeter so that one wire is inside the clamp, then release the button so that the jaws close. Do not touch the wire during this process. Only move the multimeter. Once the wire is inside of your closed meter, position the wire in the center of the clamp. The wire should not be touching any surrounding edges of the clamp or the multimeter. Read the current and unit on the multimeter's display. For example, 200 milliamp. Recall that a live wire refers to a wire with power running through it. When you are using a clamp meter, do not touch the wire you are measuring. Your hand should be on the bottom half of the meter. The farther your hand is from the live wire, the safer you are.